Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sensitive data detection results with BigQuery Data Loss Prevention, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, access the Google Cloud Console and navigate to your project. Select BigQuery from the navigation menu. In the BigQuery interface, locate the dataset that contains the sensitive data you want to verify. If you don't have a dataset, create a new one by selecting the appropriate option in the interface. Next, prepare a query to examine the data you wish to validate. Ensure your query includes the relevant columns that may contain sensitive information. Execute the query to retrieve the records from your dataset. After retrieving the results, note any fields identified as containing sensitive data. Open the Data Loss Prevention API section in the Google Cloud Console. Create a new DLP job by selecting the Create Job option. In the job configuration, choose your desired DLP template for data inspection. Select the dataset you created or identified earlier as the source for sensitive data detection. Specify the output options for the DLP job results. Review your settings carefully to ensure accuracy. Click Create to initiate the DLP job. Monitor the job's progress in the DLP Jobs section until it completes. Once completed, access the job's results for analysis. Compare the DLP job results to the initial data query findings. Look for any discrepancies between the DLP results and your initial observations. If differences are found, further investigate the specific records involved. Consider rerunning the DLP job with different options if necessary. Document your findings and any necessary adjustments to the dataset. Ensure that you maintain compliance with data security best practices throughout the process. Finalize your report summarizing the verification of sensitive data detection results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.